Why do we yawn when we see someone else yawn? Because it is thought to be a result of social contagion rather than a physiological need for oxygen. It's believed to be an unconscious mimicry behavior linked to empathy and social bonding. Studies suggest that when we observe someone yawning, mirror neurons in our brain fire, causing us to involuntarily yawn as well. This phenomenon is more likely to occur among people with strong emotional connections or social bonds. So, when we see someone yawn, our brain perceives it as a signal of fatigue or boredom, prompting us to yawn in response, possibly as a way to synchronize behavior and strengthen social bonds.